Where to find read incoming call information for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or the Redmi Note 14, the Chinese ROM model, using the specific dialer app. Most Xiaomi phones will most likely be using a Chinese ROM model, and you want to look into this dialer app here, which is the default dialer app. Once you go into it, you'll see this here, and you want to go to the settings section right here. From within the settings section here, simply go down the list until you see a section that says read incoming call info. At default, it'll be turned off. And of course, you can choose to have it turned on always, which means whether you have it connected to a speaker, earphones, headphones, or just the phone speaker itself and mic, that's gonna answer an incoming call, reading out the incoming call information. And of course, you can choose it to just have only when a headphone or earphone is connected. And of course, if you don't want this, if you feel annoyed by it, just come back here and turn it off. Like and sub.